Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Well, it's election day already.
That's right. Hopefully we don't need to deal with umbrellas at the polls, or should we keep them handy, Ivan?
I think into the afternoon we may have a few showers to deal with, but otherwise looking pretty good. 82 degrees right now, polls open, my goodness, in less than 6.5 hours. As we check in on Next Weather Radar Network, it is pretty quiet. We've had a few showers north of the Keys, but they're behaving themselves there. As we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, still thunderstorms in the forecast, but before that happens and cools us off, I think we'll have temperatures in the mid-90s, and the feels like temperatures will be in the triple digits. And then by Thursday and Friday, the storms will be moving in the other direction. So it's all about the steering currents, because we'll have plenty of moisture throughout the whole week to get us with showers and thunderstorms. We're going to stay south of a frontal boundary that'll stall over central Florida there, and then eventually we'll get tropical moisture moving in for the weekend. But there's your Tuesday throughout the day with showers and thunderstorms. So you can see a lot of just empty spaces here, so it's not going to be a widespread event here. Some of us will stay on the dry side. Wednesday, a little more moisture to work with as that moisture continues to pool ahead of that boundary, so we'll have a lot more coverage between 12 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and even by 7. We'll continue with some ongoing showers, and then we will do it again as we head in through the middle part of the week. There's Ernesto, still a hurricane at this hour from the National Hurricane Center, though no additional activity. We've been watching here. It is just very quiet in the tropical Atlantic. Typically this time of year we get more activity, but that hasn't happened, and no complaints there. Rip currents are going to be moderate for today, and then no alerts for the Florida Keys or the Atlantic waters as conditions stay about a light chop to smooth at times. As far as the temperatures for the afternoon, I think again we'll manage the low to mid-90s. And we'll have rain chances right at 40% before we start increasing them. So let's take a tour of the numbers here. Again, temperatures in the 105 range, some of us approaching 107, 108, and then down in the Keys will definitely get that between 105 and 110. So that is going to be a steamer for today, but a little more on the forecast here as you head out to vote on primary day. Rain chances at around 30%. I think for the opening of the polls will be quiet, and for the closing will be quiet. It's just in that middle there that we're likely to see a few showers and storms scattered about. That rain chances going up a bit as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, and then continuing that with, well, temperatures not as hot into the weekend.